Morning, students. Last class I was discussed about the trend of population growth in Assam, and now in this class I will discuss about the population distribution of Assam. So very welcome to my geography class. Do you know what is population distribution? Population distribution means settlement of human population of a particular region. In what way they are distributed? Suppose the population of Assam is 3.12 crore. Now, this much of population, how it is distributed all over Assam? It is the distribution of population of Assam. Population distribution is always related to population density. What is density? Persons living in per square kilometer is called population density. Persons living in per square kilometer. It is called population density. Now you see the population density and distribution is not equally distributed all over the region. More than 700 billion people are found in our earth, but they are distributed unevenly. Suppose China is the position 1, second is India, third is USA, like this. Population concentration is not equally found all over the land surface of our earth. So this way, 3.12 crore population of Assam is not evenly distributed all over Assam. But why this population is unevenly distributed? There are some factors which you have known, that there are some physical factors, socio-cultural factors, historical factors, like that. Physical factors like soil character, landform, climate, availability of water, this way. And on the other hand, socio-cultural factors are included like transport and communication system, industrialization, trend of urbanization, etc. So, these are the factors which are responsible for uneven population distribution, not only in Assam, all over the world. Okay? Now you see, population density of Assam is different in different years. Like in 1901, it is only 41 persons per square kilometer. In 1951, 102 per square kilometer. And in 1991, 286 persons per square kilometer. And recently, very recently in 2011, it is found 398 persons per square kilometer. These figures are very important, especially 398 persons per square kilometer according to last 2011 census. Okay? This way, population of Assam is distributed unevenly. We know that there are three main physical divisions found in Assam. What are those? They are Brahmaputra River Valley region, Barak River Valley region, and Highland region of Assam. In these three physical divisions, the population distribution pattern is different. Such as you see now, in Brahmaputra Valley, the total area of Assam, that is 71.64% of our of the area of Assam, which is covered by Brahmaputra Valley. But the total percentage of population of Assam, Brahmaputra Valley occupies 84.63%. That means Brahmaputra Valley population is mainly 84.6% of Assam population is found in this river valley region. Okay? And population density of the Brahmaputra River Valley region is 1,502 persons per square kilometer. Now you see, Brahmaputra Valley occupies 71.64% of Assam, and 84.63% of total population of Assam is found in Brahmaputra Valley. And population density of the Brahmaputra Valley is 1,502 persons per square kilometer. Okay? Now you see in the Barak Valley. Barak Valley occupies 8.82% of total area of Assam. 8.82% of total area of Assam covered by Barak Valley. And in case of population, there is 11.62%. 11.62% of total population of Assam is found in Barak Valley. Okay? Now, the density of Barak Valley, population density of the Barak Valley is 545 persons. 545 persons per square kilometer. Now, go to the hilly region. In hilly region, total area of Assam, that is 19.54% of total area of Assam is covered by hilly regions of Assam. That means Highland region covers 19.54% of total area of Assam. And population, that is 3.75% of total population of Assam is found in Highland region of Assam. 3.75%. And population density is only 64 persons per square kilometer in the Highland region of Assam. So population is very less over Highland region. Highland region includes two regions of Assam. One is called Karbi Anglong Plateau region and Baralians region. These hilly regions very thinly populated, very sparsely populated, where population density is only 64 persons per square kilometer. Okay? It is based on physiographic conditions, population distributions we have found. This way, in this way, population distribution found in these physical divisions. Now you see, Valley, where 85% of total population of Assam is found in this River Valley region. 85% of total population of Assam is found in this Brahmaputra River Valley region. And its area is how much? The total area of Assam, where the 71.6% of total area of Assam is covered by Brahmaputra Valley, but 85% of total population found in this River Valley region. So, maximum population of Assam is generally living in Brahmaputra River Valley region. So, why it is? What is the main cause behind it? The main causes are the plain surface of the Brahmaputra River Valley region, number one. Number two, the soil of Brahmaputra River Valley is very, very fertile. Number three, developed transport and communication system. Number four, industrialization. Lots of industries of Assam is mainly located in this Brahmaputra River Valley region. Number three, source of water. Water availability is very easily found over the Brahmaputra River Valley region because Brahmaputra is a perennial river. Yes? Therefore, in the Brahmaputra River Valley region, population density is 1,502 persons per square kilometer. These are the factors which are responsible for high population density over the Brahmaputra River Valley region. Brahmaputra River Valley region, again the whole Brahmaputra River Valley region can be divided based on population distribution into three different regions, such as number one, Upper Brahmaputra Valley region, Middle Brahmaputra Valley region, and Lower Brahmaputra Valley region, based on population distribution, population density. These three divisions of the Brahmaputra Valley is found. In the first one, the Upper Brahmaputra Valley, where 21.23% of population of the Brahmaputra Valley living in Upper Assam. Got it? We know that Brahmaputra River Valley region has more than 85% of total population of Assam. In Upper Brahmaputra Valley, 21.23% of total population of the Brahmaputra Valley living in Upper Assam. Okay? And the population density of Upper Assam, Upper Brahmaputra Valley is 371 persons per square kilometer. 371 persons per square kilometer in Upper Brahmaputra, where we are living in this Upper Brahmaputra River Valley region. Next is Middle Brahmaputra Valley region, which is located in Nagaon, Morigaon, these districts are. In this district, total population of the Brahmaputra River Valley, where 27.34% of total population of the Brahmaputra Valley living in this Middle Brahmaputra Valley. Got it? And their population density is more than 500 persons per square kilometer. So, the Middle Brahmaputra Valley is very, very thickly populated. And now, last one, the Lower Brahmaputra Valley region, where 36.03% of total population of the Brahmaputra River Valley region living in this lower part of Brahmaputra. That means highest percentage of population mainly living in this lower Assam part, lower Brahmaputra Valley region, and that is 36.06% of total population of Brahmaputra Valley. And its population density is 631 persons per square kilometer. So, highest number of population concentrated over the lower Brahmaputra Valley. That means Dhuburi, Gwalpara, Bongaigaon, Kamrup, this type of districts are included in this lower Brahmaputra Valley region. Okay, these informations are given according to 2011 census, which was very recent. And now you see district-wise population distribution. Next, in this district-wise population, highest number of population is found in Kamrup Metro. That means question arises, in which district highest number of population density is found? That is Kamrup Metro, where population density is 2010 persons per square kilometer. Highest population density is found in Kamrup Metro. Okay, where 2010 persons per square kilometer. Low population density is found, very low. Lowest population density is found in Dima Hasao. Dima Hasao district, where population density is only 44 persons per square kilometer. Okay? Next you see, population density means persons living in per square kilometer. Highest population density is found in Kamrup Metro, and lowest population density is found in Dima Hasao. Okay? Now you see most populous district of Assam. Which is the most populous district of Assam? It is Nagaon, where more than 28 lakhs of population found there. 28 lakhs 26,006 persons found in Nagaon district. Highest population is found there, and lowest population is found in again Dima Hasao. Lowest number of population is found where only more than 2 lakhs population, that is 2,13,529 persons per square kilometer. Okay? Highest population and highest density districts of Assam. Now you see most populous district of Assam is, first one is Nagaon, second one is Dhuburi. Dhuburi is the second populous district, where 19,49,258 persons in Dhuburi. Next, third one is what? It is Sonitpur district, where 19,24,110 population found. Got it? Highest population Nagaon, second highest population Dhuburi, third highest population is Sonitpur. Now you see sparse, very less population, less populated districts. Less populated district, first one is Dima Hasao, where just more than 2 lakhs population is found. Number second lowest population is found in Sirang, where 4,82,162 persons are found there. And number third is Hailakandi. Hailakandi population is 6,59,246 persons. So lowest population is in Dima Hasao, second lowest population is Sirang, and third lowest population is Hailakandi. Mainly these three districts you should know, because question may be arise that in which district which district third lowest population is found, and in which district second highest population is found in Assam. This way different types of question may be arise. Now, based on density, lowest population density is found in Dima Hasao, where we know 44 persons only per square kilometer. Next, second lowest population density is found in Karbi Anglong, only 93 persons per square kilometer. And third lowest population density is found in Dhemaji district, where 213 persons per square kilometer. So this is about population distribution of Assam. How populations are distributed based on population physical divisions. First one, hilly region, river valley, Brahmaputra river valley region, highland region, and Barak river valley region. Next one, district wise. How many populations are found in different districts. So here in a map you see highest population is found in Kamrup district, where above 1,000 population. The map is known as choroplate map, where is shown population by shade method. It is shade method choroplate map. Here we have seen the dark areas where above 1,001 persons per square kilometer. It is only Kamrup Metro. And next one is 601 to 1,000. This shading is given here. There are lots of districts like Dhuburi, Bongaigaon, Borpeta, Nalbari, Nagaon, Morigaon, and in Barak Valley it is Karimganj. In these districts, population density is over 601 to 1,000. So this way the map is shown here. Below 200 population is found, 200 persons per square kilometer is found mainly in Dima Hasao and Karbi Anglong districts. Two Karbi Anglong districts, East Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district. Okay? I think you are clear about the population distribution of Assam. So long question may be arise, give a brief description about the population distribution of Assam. So in details all about you have to write it for 5 marks. Okay? So this much is enough about your population distribution of Assam, and next class I will discuss about different ethnic groups of people found in Assam. Okay? Thank you all of you.